Intermarriage is something that destroyed Judaism all generation, destroyed Judaism in the exile. It's coming into the land of Israel. We have to stop it in the beginning before it becomes something that we cannot stop.
This is not just a wedding. This is a Jewish neshama. This is one of our people. This is a Jewish soul that's been stolen from the Jewish people. And she's been pulled over, and we're in pain. And we're saying, how can a terrible thing like this happen? It's like we lost another one in the Holocaust. It's like another one of the 6 million. And if only she knew. And I'm sure her parents are in pain. I know her father for sure is in pain. This is just not how we live. This is not according to the Torah, and this is not what a Jew should do.
What's the goal of a protest like this? I don't believe you're trying to convince her to come out and say, I regret.
Well, we never give up on any Jew, but we want to give a message to others that think about it. It's not legitimate, it's against Judaism, and we're not going to hug them if they're doing it.
I think it's been water under the bridge already. I'm not really sure of all the details, but what I can say is that it's our job as Jews to look out for our sisters, to look out for their souls, to look out for their lives, because I really want to tell all you girls out there that think that some Arab is going to come and give you a better life. You're totally going to suffer the rest of your life. So please be careful.
You came here as a counter-protest to the Lahava protest.
Yes, I came here to show another voice. I don't support intermarriage. As a religious Jew, it is sad for me that someone chose that she didn't feel like Judaism was so important to her. So it is something which is sad for me. I wish that the world was a different place, but this is not. The wedding is not the time to come and tell her what she should believe. As a religious Jew, I'm embarrassed of being of the Leva organization. I think they're acting out of racism. If it was important for them, assimilation, they would be spending the effort in education.
Those who say this is not democratic, let any person do whatever they want.
That's more democratic than anything else. Why is it democratic to come and protest against me buying a house in Hebron, and it's not democratic for me to prevent a Jew from committing suicide? Well, this is against assimilation. We don't like our enemy, but that's not the goal of this demonstration. We are against assimilation.